Hi students, today we'll be going through P6 ratio, everything changed. This is the last concept, which is the most difficult one. Let's solve this together. So we have two friends here, Alice and Benny. Alice started with 7U, okay, and Benny started with 4U, and something changed for them. So let's try to use BCA one more time. Before is 7U and 4 for Benny, and the change and the after. Students, read the question again and tell me what is the change. Alice saved 80, so that plus 80 here. However, Benny spent 40. Maybe he bought himself some nice toys. Alright, what is the after? What happened here? So Alice ended with 7U plus $80. And Benny ended with 4U minus 40. In the end, this amount of money they have are in this ratio, which is 3 to 1. For this one, we don't call it units, we call it parts, alright? Okay, this we do it separately because it's everything changed. The beginning doesn't equal to the end. Beginning is called units. Alright, we call it units here. That's why there's a 7U and 4U that in the end it's called 3 parts for Alice to 1 part Benny. Now to solve this, we need to make Alice and Benny to be the same size again. So this 1 part must change to 3 parts so that we can make Alice equal to Benny to solve the equation. So how we do that? Times 3 for everything here. Everything here we must multiply through. Now let's do it now. So Benny will have 12U minus 120. This is for Benny and is equal to Alice 7U plus 80. Now we can solve for 1U. Okay, let's jump across the river again. So it will be 12U minus 7U, because if this is positive, jump over is negative. Likewise here, 80, we copy down the 80 here. I just bring this 80 to here, and 120 jump over will become plus 120. So 5U equal to 200, 1U equal to 40. How much money Alice have? For 7U. Final answer, 7U 7 times 40 is 280. Okay, this is how you solve ratio, most difficult concept called everything change. Thank you. Dear parents, let's help a child improve by the next exam. Scan us for a free trial.